Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys aren't too freaked out. I'm a little freaked out, but it is what it is. You know, we got a little glam zombie going on. You know, like I just got bit or I just got scratched and had my first meal, basically. Haven't messed up my makeup yet. The setting spray and the powders, they're working for this zombie. Alright? So if you guys want to see how I did this, and seriously I'm telling you, it is not difficult. Keep on watching and let's get gross. Now that we are pretty well glammed, I'm not putting my lashes on until the very last. Doesn't matter what I'm doing, my lashes are always the last thing. Okay, for the next step, what you're gonna need is some liquid latex like this. I got mine at Walmart. No. Yes? I don't know, because Walmart and Spirit Halloween have a lot of the same stuff. But it says Spirit on it, so I'm gonna guess I got it at Spirit Halloween. Sorry. I've been around. I've been getting around, you guys. Let me tell you, I'm getting around. Alright, so here we go. We're going to apply liquid latex first, and then we're going to take a cotton ball, we're gonna rip to shreds and stick it all over our face, and then put latex right back over top of it. Here we go, y'all. Stuff your mom used to use to get her hair permed. That's what it smells like, and it's like strong. It's like in my eyes. I'm supposed to pull this apart once it's starting to dry. More latex, more burning eyes. You get a little bit on the outside of the skin too, for blending purposes. So it looks like it's blending with your own skin, like you're turning. Okay, now we're gonna start picking at it. Alright, I'm going to take this little piece of cotton and I'm going to stick it in right here to hold it open. Might be a little too big. We'll make it work. Alright you guys, I've put on as many layers as I can. You have to be patient, you have to fully let it dry. Now we are just going to go get a straw and a drink and see if we can make this work. Alright you guys, she feels, I think, about as dry as she's gonna get. I'm gonna stick another little piece of cotton in down here. Okay, moving on. I'm going to go into my Wet n Wild paint palettes. I'm drooling. And I'm going to start with the brightest red that I have and start on the very outside edge of everything. Also going to do bright red on the inside and just dabbing a little bit everywhere. Alright, now I'm going to move on to a burgundy paint color. Gross! And believe it or not, we still have one more color to go. I want to also put in some brown. Alright. Got about as much color on as I can. Now I'm going to go back into the deep red color on a blending bud that I plan on throwing away when I'm done with it. And I'm gonna start blending this out. Where did the other palette go? Okay, and then going back in with the bright red shade. Alright, you guys. This is a lot, I know. But we are still not even done because we still have some blood to put on so that it looks really real. Is that even a thing? Oh, you know what? I should probably do my lashes before I do blood because I'll probably be like drippy. I don't know. Alright, you guys, lashes are on. Let's go ahead and do some scab blood. I don't even... Okay, that's cool. Alright you guys, this is the final creepy, gross, gory look. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all tried to recreate it because it really is simple. You just need a little thing of latex, you need some cotton balls, and some red either. You can use your lipstick, you can use your blush, you can use anything that you want as long as it's, I would use a bright red, a dark red, and maybe like a brownish or a purple, something like that. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy me. And if you want to get notified when I upload, you can hit the bell. Or I can tell you that I upload every Tuesday and Friday. I will see you guys next week. Bye!